Alright, so welcome to Lesson 9C of Decimal Fractions. This time today we're going to be adding visual decimal models. So let's look at our first example. Well, right now we have a certain number of hundreds shaded. And well, let's say that I wanted to add another 26 hundreds to this. Well, the way that I'll be doing this is by adding this 26 hundreds in another color. So I'm just going to start shading this in just as another color. Now I'm going to shade in another 26 hundreds. Right now I've shaded in 15. And so now that is a total of 26 hundreds that I shaded in. Well, now the question is, well, this is one way to represent the addition of decimals using models or using a hundreds grid to do this. But we still have to show just the regular way that we can add this up. So we still have to show this as an addition equation. So showing this as an addition equation is 0 and 15 hundredths plus 0 and 26 hundredths, which is going to equal 41 hundredths. And your addition equation should match what you have shaded in two different colors on your model. So both of them should match, your equation and what you have shaded in two different colors on your model. Both of them should represent the exact same thing when you're trying to add using models. So let's look at one more example. Well, here we have the model. We have the model of one whole and 25 hundredths. Well, let's say that I wanted to add another 38 hundredths to that. So I'm going to change my color to purple. So I'm going to shade in these 5 first. So that takes care of 5 of the 38 hundredths that I'm going to shade in. Then what I'm going to do is, since this is 10, 20, 30, I'm just going to shade in these 3 all together. So that's 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Well, what do I have? What do I have here all together? Well, one whole and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 63 hundredths. So that's one whole and 63 hundredths. And what did I add to that? I added to that 38 hundredths. And if I go and I just check my work just to make sure that everything does match up properly, 1 and 25 hundredths plus 38 hundredths, that's 3, regroup, box it to let me know that I'm done regrouping. And that does match. That what I added up here using the equation does match the model. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you with this practice problem. What addition problem does the model represent? And that's the end of our lesson on visual models, adding visual models for decimals.